Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to do something a little bit different with this video than we've done with some of the others. This is just kind of a neat shot. I was flying on the Archie Wilson and there was another vessel coming, so the flight between the two vessels, I actually got to fly through the open bridge, which I typically don't get a chance to get in front of vessels and get to actually fly the drone right through the bridge. So I sped it up because it would get kind of long if I didn't. Here's a shot of the drone flying right through the bridge, headed for the next vessel. I do use collision avoidance lighting on the drone. It's important because some of these spots where I'm flying, I don't want to lose sight of the drone, and I am not supposed to lose line of sight of the drone. I do use a visual observer a lot of the time to help me keep track, but the collision avoidance lighting goes a long ways for making the drone much easier to see, even during the daytime from much further away. There will be full episodes of both of these vessels coming dedicated to that vessel. This is just a shot to show some drone flying.